with Naples Best After School Program, brought to you by Team Tour Law Academy. Check us out at teamtourlaw.com. Today, we're gonna prank the guys. We're gonna teach them a science experiment about water tension, and but I'm gonna prank them. I'm gonna tell them I have telekinesis. And the way this works is when you set up a plate and you put black pepper, we're seeing the experiment online, and you put the dishwasher soap on your hands, on the tip of your finger. The pepper, it breaks the water tension. The pepper will spread out, and as the pepper spread out, it looks like it's like telekinesis, like I have magic, as you cannot even see that I'm touching it. So the first thing they're gonna say is, oh, it's because you touched it, and then I'm gonna allow them to touch it. But they cannot see the dishwasher and the soap in the top of my fingers. So it's gonna be a good one, I think. Then from here, hopefully we get to analyze the periodic table, and we teach them about molecules and a little bit of chemistry, you know, according to their age. So let's check it out. Let's put 1, okay, not too much, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have enough. I don't want them to see. So usually I'm talking and they don't see it. So let's go do this. All right, guys, I have something really special to show you today. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. It's crazy. All right, stand right there. It's very crazy. So who here, come on Lamar, who here has heard of telekinesis? What is telekinesis? Yes?
When you move things with your mind.
Exactly. Now, sometimes you can do smaller objects, sometimes you can do bigger objects. So I have learned how to move very small objects. But that's a big start for me. Right, so what we're gonna do, all right guys, so check this out. We have put the pepper on the water, and with my mind, I'm gonna make the pepper move to the side. You think I can do that?
Yes.
Ready? Let me try. Okay. Oh! I told you can do it. Oh, you think you can do it?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't. Touch it. Or do it. Move, put your hand in the and everything. You need practice, baby. You need practice.
No, I can do it.
Try it. Stop moving. Watch. It's easier than you think. Wow! Sa-la-la-la! Yeah, it's in your hand, not in your finger. Try it, Reggie. Try it. Okay, Rihanna, you want to give it a shot?
I did it.
No, guys, you're not doing it right.
You're not doing it
La 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 lee la lee.
Oh, you have to. Oh, I can do it.
So there you go, guys. Telekinesis. On another class, I'm going to tell them exactly what is going on. But as you can see, I think I got them. I got them.
No, you didn't. You touched it. Then you couldn't got it.
All right, guys. I'm gonna teach them the art of telekinesis. Okay, so the trick is, in life, you need to pay attention and focus. Okay, that's the most important skill in life, is to focus. That's why I tell you in kids class, in my after-school class, that we focus, to pay attention with your eyes, ears, body, and mind. Right? What you didn't notice when I went back there, I put dishwasher fluid on my fingertips. Now, why does that work? 1 second, do not interrupt. See, the water has property of tension, where the water molecules attached to each other very tight. But when I put dishwasher fluid on my fingertips and I touch, it breaks the water tension. Okay? Think of us as a balloon, right? What makes the tension on the balloon? Right? The latex, right? Imagine if I put a little hole in that latex, it explodes, right? So think of the water as a water balloon with tension, and the moment I touch it, I pop it. I'm popping the molecules, right? The connection between one another, and that's what makes it move. Now you guys gotta promise me one thing, right? The one that when I do it with the next group, you're not gonna tell them my secret.
Okay.
I will teach them later, right? Act like you guys have to help me. Act it out like, oh my God, like run, drop on the floor. I can't believe it. Master Bird's a wizard. You're gonna act with me, okay? Dear? So that we prank them even harder.
Yes, sir.
Right? And then in the class, we're gonna go over the periodic table, how elements get made from the sun, and we're gonna talk about water molecules. Isn't that cool?
Yes.
Now, who's the best?
Master Berto.
On top. Good job. Who's. Good job. So there you go. Next, in the next class, I'm gonna even prank them harder. This worked really well. Let's prank the middle schoolers real quick. Hey, I would like you guys to sit there. We have to have an important meeting. You guys, sit down. You guys need to sit down. We got to talk about Kimber's workbook. I think she's been cheating. She's been lying. And then we're going to talk to you guys about certain things that it's not right. Things are just not right. Oh, goodness. These are my middle schoolers. Number one, I've been telling you guys that hard work is very important for a reason. You're disorganized and I think you're cheating in your workbook. Tell me now before I give you a test, because if you fail the test, it's going to be twice as hard. Because in the other one, you just put in the answers without checking. You're not showing your work. You sure you don't have something you want to tell me? We'll find out later. All right. When you work hard and you practice, you get new abilities. Today I want to tell you that I have gotten to another level. Have reached telekinesis level. You don't even know what telekinesis is. What is it? Really? Now, I started with very small objects. I haven't gotten down to you guys, your size, on which I can move you, pick you up, and slam you, and slam you. But I'm not doing that just yet. But I managed how to move pepper in the water just using my mind. You guys want to see it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, the last time I did this, somebody fainted. Try to keep it together. Sorry. Why, you think it's easy?
No.
You do it.
No, you look like you're behind me.
Man, it's hard work. One more time. One more time.
Yeah.
No? Who wants to? Slow motion, okay? Try. I've been practicing with him. Oh, you don't have developed the skill yet. Watch. Right here. I'm gonna move it from this side to that side. Who wants to try? Here it is. You want to try?
Have a bottle of soap?
What?
Have a bottle of soap?
For what?
I know what you do.
Why? Don't do anything. Try it. You just gotta think.
I can do it.
Gotta think, guys. Gotta think. You gotta focus. Hey, don't do it like that. That's not right.
Yeah.
Then I just spark the water. Just touch it. Look, man. Look.
What have you got on your hands?
Nothing.
Soap.
That was water, man. Water.
Yeah.
Just try to think.
He moved to a new level.
New level. All right, get out of here.
Moved it.
All right. I'll tell you what's really going on. Chris is right. I have soap in my hands. Good job, Chris. So now, check this out. What is happening here? Well, why is the pepper on top of the water? Can anybody tell me why is it just floating there? Somebody who didn't see it before. You don't know. Jay?
It's soft.
No. Because the water molecules, okay, one property of water, you've seen a mosquito float on top of the water or hang on top of the water, water molecules have tension. They have forces within each other. Think of the water as a balloon to the surface area, right? When we put a little, hole, we poke a hole in the balloon, what happens to the balloon? It pops. What happens to the area? It disperses, right? When I put dishwasher soap on my fingertips and I touch it, the water molecules are breaking. They're separating each other, right? And it makes the pepper, which just gives the color to the water tension, move away. Understand? So I'm not really moving the pepper. What I'm doing is I'm breaking the water tension like a balloon, allowing the pepper to spread. Now, water is a very interesting thing because if you understand the water, you can use it to your advantage. Water tension can be used to your advantage. A lot of cool experiments with water we're going to be doing.